Inspired by the future of 3D technologies, with our help, the first Bulgarian 3D printed implant is already a fact. We were the first to print a sculpture of a Bulgarian general and contributed to the establishment of Zara Lab Stara Zagora, the first Bulgarian academy offering 3D print training courses. We are 3Dbgprint. We have a manufactory of our own with more than 25 high-end 3D printers, employing different technologies and working area from 100 to 2000 millimeters. Industry F340, a powerful industrial 3D printer. Precision 1.5 liquid crystal, the newest and most innovative 3D printer, precision down to the smallest details. Should you need to work with two types of materials, go for the P255, a dual extruder printer allowing for high quality details. Using a wide range of materials, we are always at your disposal for the most effective 3D services and consultancy as to 3D printing, 3D modeling, 3D scanning, and 3D training. We always strive to offer the highest quality 3D services. We value our customers' opinions, so make sure to find us at the specialized exhibitions. To ease your choice, we are managing an online training and sales platform, 3dbgprint.com. Our team has proven professionalism over the years. For this reason, our producing partners are some of the best companies on a global scale. The areas of application of 3D printing are numerous and continually expand. Architecture, medicine, dental technology, automotive industry, sculpture, fashion, marketing, design, jewelry. You dream it, we print it. 3Dbgprint.